Radyo Pilipinas 2, 918 AM.
Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating paning sports radio. Usapang chess tayo sa araw na ito. Meron po ulit tayong mga kaibigan at guests mula sa World of Engineering, okay? You may recall last time na itampok na natin ang grupo na ito. So we have electrical engineer Sir Alan Alvarez from IIEE. Yan po yung Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineer, tama ba? Okay, and
Yes,
then we have another guest. Good morning, good day po. Ang mechanical engineer naman na si Jerry Asuncion from the Philippine Technological Council or PTC. Welcome po sa ating program. Engineer Alan, magandang araw. Meron tayong big tournament this month and in the coming months pa. Yes, sir.
Yes, so tama yan, Ma'am Judith, no? Ang ating chess in particular, no, ay sisimulan na natin ngayong January 26. So ito yung pinaka-online games ng ating PTC World Engineering Day. So it will end on March 22. So online games ito. There will be at least 30 teams. So sa ngayon, we have 31 teams na 5 engineering associations will play. And then the rest are teams from IIE as well, no? So it will end on March 22. And then ang awarding will be on March 24 sa Naicoten sa Pasay City. So this is very interesting game for us kasi first time namin to do online. Last year, we do a chess as well in the World Engineering Day on March 2023. Pero this is more of a on-the-board chess. So this time, it will be online. And at the same time, we have invited a lot of chess masters, you know, as import. So we have GM Lilo, IM Bagamasbad, no? FM Noel, and even may mga foreigner, may mga foreigner players tayo, like the imports of IIEE UAE, you know, they will be bringing si FM Steven, no? Steven Breckenridge, at saka si International Master Samir Sahidi, no? So about siguro mga 18 masters yung na-invite na natin.
Wow.
Hope they will play until that 5 rounds that we have for the PTC, no?
Malaki
So,
talaga. Malaki pala talaga
Yeah.
itong ating Philippine Technological Council World Engineering Day 2024 chess tournament and other sports, some sort of a festival. Ang overall chairman po nitong sports activities na ito ay si Engineer Jerry Asuncion. Okay, magandang araw nga po. How excited yung grupo nyo to stage this 3-month long celebration, and we have the competition, sir. Yes po, Engineer Jerry.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for having us, ma'am. I think it's about time naman siguro para ma-promote namin yung engineering profession, ma'am, sa Pilipinas. As you know, yung event ng World Engineering Day actually is a global event ito, no? Global event. It was actually celebrated through the UNESCO. This was approved actually a joint venture with United Nations Engineering Educational and Cultural Organization together with World Federation of Engineers. Okay, and the Alliance of Engineering Organizations. So global po ito, ano? Dito sa Pilipinas, this is being just spearheaded by Philippine Technological Council, of course, with participations, of course, ng mga different professional organization. Sa Pilipinas kasi, ma'am, under sa PRC, Professional Regulation Commission, ang engineering na nire-recognize is engineering profession is 13 po, ano? So, na-mention natin kanina, electrical, which is under sa Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers, and yours truly being member of the mechanical engineering under sa Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers. So marami po kami, civil, electronics, agricultural, mining, metallurgical, geodetic, aerospace, and so on and so forth po. Ano ho.
11.
So ang populations namin po is around a million, which is scattered po sa hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi sa ibang bansa, considering na partly part kami ng OFW. Okay? So pumupunta rin po kami doon. In fact, aside sa sports festivities na gaganapin namin nationwide, mayroon po kami international conference to be held sa Doha, Qatar.
Okay.
Okay, so i-highlight po namin po rin 'yon ang aming provision. So marami pong mga nakaset na mga activities.
Tama.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Although po i-highlight po namin doon yung ang aming sports festivities. So this is just the second year na nagsiselebrate kami sa Pilipinas face to face. Considering yung World Engineering Day is na-aprobahan sa UNESCO was on the 2020. Well, we all know that the year 2020 is a pandemic, no? Pandemic.
Yes.
So mostly is face online po 'yun until 2020, 2021, then comes 2023 na nagkaroon talaga tayo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng face to face. So panawagan din po namin sa mga kasamahan namin considering masyado kami malawak. So isang platform po ito na sana maipaabot namin sa lahat ng mga engineers worldwide na mag-participate po. In-encourage namin na mag-participate sila dito. So in a level of chapter level, provincial level, regional levels, and even national level. So gaganapin namin. Ang ginaganap namin po ngayon is national level po. So up to the chapter level po. So in-encourage namin 'yan in any engineering professional organization na na-mention ko, 13 po kami kanina. So thank you very much po for giving us this opportunity na maiparating po namin yung yung lahat ng aming programs.
Okay, thank you Engineer Jerry. So napakalawak talaga nito, Engineer Alan. Yung chess ang may pinakamahaba na sabihin natin time of the competition kasi nga online. So paano to? Isahan lang to, no? Open category lang ito. Paano ang mga games? Araw-araw ba yan o every night ba yan may games? How do you go with the schedule?
Yes, this is an open sa lahat, ano? By the way, this is also hosted by our ICEP, yung Institute of Electronic Engineers of the Philippines. It will be done every Friday night, no? At 9:40 p.m. So tamang-tama 'yon, no? After work ay makalaro yung mga kasama natin. Even yung mga nasa abroad, it is a good time for them. So for the first round, there will be 31 teams who will vying for the seeding games, no? Based on the result of the first round, hatiin natin sa tatlong group. So Group A will be yun yung top 10, Group B 11 to 20, then Group C will be the 21 to 30. So maglalaban sila on a 10-team battle. So parang yung top 5 sa games ay mararemain sa top A, then yung low 5 pupunta doon sa lower bracket. So parang magkakaroon ng adjustment. Kailangan lagi kang nasa top 5 para pumunta ka doon sa mataas na bracket, no? Kasi ang magiging winners dito will be based on those who are nananalo dun sa Group A, which is the highest bracket. And then as mentioned, open ito, wala ring limit dun sa ating imports. So the teams can have more imports that they can invite to kasi medyo mahirap mag-invite talaga ng mga masters. But fortunately, they are willing, no? Kasi nakita nila world engineering. So medyo malawakan talaga, and we would be doing this on an annual basis. Sana ma-propagate natin not only sa mga engineering community but as well as sa mga non-engineering, so that yung aming tema, which is engineering solution for a sustainable world, ay talagang maparating natin sa ating Philippine constituent.
Mm.
Then for that, no, after ng World PTC, no, Engineering Day ng chess, itutuloy-tuloy pa rin kasi natin to hanggang
Mm.
November para naman doon sa IEE, which is
Regular.
still include other engineering association, no? Sana dumami. Ngayon kasi we have 4 pa lang, no? We have the
Mm-mm.
civil, we have the mechanical, the electronics, then the geodetic, no?
Mhm.
Meron kaming team din for chemical, no, yung teacher, but limited pa yung
Nag-uumpisa pa lang.
players.
Oh.
Sana
So,
dumami.
May limit ba number of teams come this World Engineering Chess competition? Mga miyembro nila wala din. No limit.
Yeah, walang limit sa players kasi ang
Mm.
ginawa natin, all can play, pero only 5 top scorer, no, ang
Will be
masasama sa puntos ng team.
Yun.
So at least all can have the opportunity to
Mhm.
play with others, particularly with our Philippine Masters.
So January 26 ang simula, tapos ang culmination nyo ay just before the March 24 awarding. Tama?
Yes, so March 22 will be the championship
Mm.
determination na for the online.
Yes.
Then March 24 will be the on the board games naman, no? At the same
Okay.
time,
May
awarding
over the
na
board.
ng mga nanalo sa
Online.
online natin.
Tama.
So that will be done sa Pasay City sa may Cotem.
Oh,
We'll be
okay.
doing that
Yeah.
together with the basketball championship
Ayun na
din.
nga eh. Yun na nga
And
tanong ko
then
kay
combination.
Engineer Cherry. Okay, ano pa yung ibang sports na lalaroin
Yeah.
sa World Engineering Day Sports Fest po natin?
Yes, thank you very much, Ma. Well, actually, aside from chess, mayroon tayong golf, basketball, practical shooting,
Hmm.
fun run, and bowling.
Wow.
To start our celebration, in a yearly basis, nagkakaroon kami ng dagdag ng mga sports discipline.
Mm-hmm.
Sa ngayong taon na to, nadagdag sa amin yung practical shooting. Considering po, sa main in uniform po, marami po kami mga kasamahan sa AFP, sa PNP, sa Bureau of Fire. So makikita nyo po, nakakalat po kami, no? Ang sa ano po, sa golf is being hosted by considering kasi po distribute po namin yung hosting ano para lahat is involved.
Okay.
So sa golf is being hosted by a Mechanical Engineer Society, which is PSME. Sa ano po yun, sa Halo Raids sa San Pedro.
Okay.
Para malapit lang po
Laguna.
ano. Okay, tapos yung other events actually namin ipina-finalize pa namin as of this time.
Yes.
Though ang sa basketball is final na po kami na majority of the games will be played sa Coten, sa Pasay po.
Okay.
Then to start ng March 2. But actually ang aming ang sports festivities will be started sa March 1 under sa golf po ano. It will run from March 1 to 24 po. So
Yes.
it's up to the individual committee po kung paano namin pag-isahin po. Though ang final po March 16 that will be our bowling. March 17 practical shooting, then March 24 fun run. So
Yes.
we're planning to held our fun run sa Clark po. Well, aside from that po, considering na sustainable development ang pinag-uusapan namin ito, so mostly green. That's why yung background namin medyo green. Ang green po ano. So mayroon din po kaming tree planting and growing.
Yes.
In fact, in-encourage po namin lahat ng mga members namin na to conduct yung mga activities either CSR and even doon sa coastal cleanup para of course maano kami sa team po. So yun po ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, yung panawagan mo kanina for all members, di ba, na sumali, open pa yung registration natin dito sa mga sports na lalaruin na ito, sir. So, paano ba yon? Meron kayong specific na website, specific ba yan na FB Messenger, how to register yung mga miyembro nyo? Nasabi mo nga, millions.
Yes, ma'am. So, ang criteria po namin, una, since kasi na-divide po kami sa kanya-kanya pong engineering discipline, So in-encourage namin yung mga members na yon na lumapit po sa kanya-kanyang ano po, kanya-kanyang engineering professional organization
Yes.
para sa team maisama sa team po ano aside from chess na open yung chess tournament which is open. Aside
Yeah.
from that, so lahat po is team event po.
Team.
Per
So there will
TPL.
be 11 teams.
13. Actually,
13 dahil
13 po kami.
13 yung grupo ng engineering dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes po.
At least. So, at least malinaw kung paano kayo madi-distribute yung composition of the teams. Salamat po, Engineer Cherry. Okay, balik tayo kay Engineer Alan. Gaano kalaki ang papremyo? Total, may mga bigati na imports ang kasali dito sa chess competition ng ating Philippine Technological Council World Engineering Sports Festival.
Okay, for this PTC World, this is the first time na we're doing it. Pero for the IIE kasi this is season 5 na of the tournament. And usually, hindi ganun kalakihan yung prize, Ma'am Judith. But talagang na-capture pa rin natin ang interest, no? As long as we have a good trophy, a good medal, talagang patuloy sila naglalaro.
Okay na yun.
But for this time, since we have imports, siguro yun ang kukuhanan namin ng konting pondo, no? Para at least tuloy-tuloy yung interest nila to participate, no?
Tama.
Iba rin kasi kapag may master, lalo na ila-live stream din natin ang mga laro. So, para panoorin din talaga ng chess
Anong live
communities.
stream ang website nyo para masubaybayan at yung mga interesado na makita kung gaano kahusay din yung mga engineers natin sa paglaro ng chess, di ba?
Yeah, we have top si Coach Alvin Yen, no? So he will be our online arbiter at the same time. He will live stream it every Friday night.
Okay, good. Ano.
Yeah.
Engineer Jerry, bakit po ganun ang napili ng ating mga engineers, ano, lalo na yung Philippine Technological Council ba yan, na ang celebration nyo ay mas maraming focus dun po sa sports? Gaano pinapahalaga ng mga engineers natin yung sports?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Ano ho? Ma-notice po natin na mga engineering education from the college level, from the university po ano, ito po yung majority of us po is involved sa sports. Ano ho, lalo sa basketball and even sa football and any other sports ano. The reasons na sinuggest namin na aside from mga technical conferences, seminars, so minsan kasi para sa iba is boring na po ano kasi alam naman natin na medyo nasa ano po tayo ngayon ano nasa world of ano tawag nito information. So lahat mostly is nakikita na nakukuha na at the click of our hands. Though pagka sports kasi ang competitions nandun po yung ano nandi-develop yung camaraderie within the engineering professional organization. Manotice po natin ma'am ano may 13 tayong professional organization. Mostly bawat organization lang naglalaban-laban no. Halimbawa sa mga regional level and to the national level. Sila lang po. Pero masaya po ang bawat isa pagka magkaroon ng cross discipline. Makalaban mo mechanical, makalaban mo civil, ang sarap po ano. Similar din sa ano po sa setting ng pagka sa college campus pa tayo ano. Pagka anybody from the isang course pumunta sa isang course, masaya po 'yun lalo na pagka babae lalaki ano. Kami noon po kami sa ano sa nurse is for engineer sabi nga ano. So majority sa amin is parang well katuwaan lang po 'yun ano. Nade-develop po yung pagkakaisa namin at saka pag reaching out sa sports po competition. So, yun po kaya napagkaisahan namin na stage yung sports festivities po.
Yes, camaraderie. And syempre yung physical ano na rin, definitely physical aspect nito, 'di ba? Masayang mapatunayan din kung ano pa yung kakayahan nyo sa ibang larangan, lalo na yung mga physical sports, ano? But definitely, ang isa rin talagang aspeto ay yung chess ni na Engineer Alan, ano? bakit talaga nagdugtong? Electrical yung grupo mo, ano, engineer, at yung chess. Sabi mo, matagal na rin yung iyong grupo na nagpapalaro ng chess at palaki ng palaki. Bakit mo ganun kaaktibo yung mga engineer dyan, electrical engineer sa larangan ng chess?
Yeah, very surprising talaga. When we started in 2020, kokonti lang kami. But
Mhm.
this time, we have around 460 players na for the electrical.
Mm.
Last year, sinama nga namin yung 5 engineering association. Ano?
Ay.
Nag-champion doon, co-champion isa nating engineering association, which is ICEP, no? Co-champion sila ng aming IA
Oh.
Northern
Mm-mm.
Mindanao.
Mm-mm.
So, talagang maraming mga engineers, no, na hilig ay chess.
Mm-mm.
And for this time, also, I would like to take the opportunity nga na invite lahat talaga, no, na mag-join. We'll have the kick-off on January 26, 4 o'clock p.m. Ang main guest namin dito ay si Judge Jason Bandal ng Dumaguete. So, judge siya, newly appointed. But at the same time, electrical engineer po siya. And he's
Oh.
playing chess. Kasi
Mm-mm.
yung kanyang father ay si retired hanging judge ng Dumaguete, no? Si Rosendo Bandal, who is retired judge. And kasama rin po sa guest natin yung ating 2022-2023 Asian Senior Chess Champion, ano? Si IM Efren Jose Pagamasbat. And of course, si NM Marlon Bernardino will be also
Yes.
there. We'll do this physically in the IIE partner. Yeah.
Saan po
Thank you.
yan? Saan po yung office nyo na yan?
Sa may Cubao po.
Sa may-
Normally, we're doing weekly mini tournament natin
Oh,
doon
that's
with
nice.
NM Marlon Bernardino. no?
Good.
Ah,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Eto, si Engineer Jerry, kayo po ba'y may lalahukan ditong laro? Bagamat kayo chairman nga, sports committee chairman kayo nitong ating mga
Yes.
activities.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, hindi namin nililimit kahit committee
Head
members
kayo?
kayo or chairman. Involved din po kayo. Actually, kasama po ako sa golf,
Oh,
basketball. Kasi
nice.
sa basketball, by the way, may dalawa kaming category po para
Mhm.
mahirap din naman sumama sa mga bata. Kami ni partner Alan is kasama po kami sa 40 up.
Mhm.
Tapos mayroong 39 below, yun yung millennial. Then
Okay.
sa Panran ko, kasama rin po ako.
Nice. Ay, si Engineer Alan, bukod doon sa nabanggit niya, basketball, ano pang event mo?
Chess and basketball din.
Chess and basketball.
Ating maring laruan. No?
Mhm. Okay, so Engineer Jerry, through this big celebration and through sports yung pong bahagi nga ng ating pagdiriwang, ano pa po ang mga malaki niyong plano in the coming years sa tuwing ng magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng World Engineering Day, pero sa inyo nangyari World Engineering Month or 3-month celebration
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Actually, ang pinaka-intention ng grupo is ma-institutionalize po yung aming celebration.
Okay.
That's why po last meeting namin po is pagdesisyonan, may resolution na magkaroon kami ng something na letter or ma-reach out namin sa government na ma-institutionalize talaga ito through, of course, batas, maisa batas, kumbaga. Just like yung individual naming mga celebration sa aming organization, mechanical is on the 3rd, approve po yun under sa PD, Presidential Decree, ni Lake Cory, in every third week of Saturday, yun ang celebration sa mechanical. Ngayon po, gusto po namin na maisabatas talaga ito na either the whole month celebration of March or the whole week celebrations of March. By the way, under sa world, ang pinaka celebration talaga is March 4th. Every
Okay.
March 4th of the month. So yan po yun. Just really to highlight engineers' achievements around the world and improve the public understanding of the importance of engineering and technology po. So yun ang pinapahalagan po. Considering na wala sigurong improvement, wala sa development, as you can
Oo.
see. kung hindi involved ang engineer po, ano.
Yes, tama.
So siguro nasa primitive pa rin po tayo kung
Tama eh.
kung titingnan natin. So pinapahalagan po worldwide yung contribution namin po.
Tama, tama. Mas ma-highlight pa at makilala talaga kayo, ano. Okay, so salamat, Engineer Alan. Baka po may dagdag pa kayong announcement o kaya naman mga invite, di ba, sa lahat, mapa-engineer man o regular po na mga individual na taga-suporta ng sports, lalo na ang chess. Please go ahead.
Yes, maraming salamat Ma'am Judy again for this opportunity of having us in Radio Pilipinas 2. Of course, the IAE is the main host this year, and also I would say the defending champion in 2023. So I pose up a challenge to all other engineering associations, come up and join us and beat us. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Thank you very much po. There you have it, Mechanical Engineer Jerry Asuncion, overall Sports Committee Chairman of the PTC World Engineering Day celebration, and si Electrical Engineer naman Anthony Alan Alvarez mula sa IIEE sa kanilang mga programa. Keep us posted at mabuhay po ang mga engineers natin. Tama nga naman, di natin sila napapagtuunan ng pansin, pero napakahalaga at napakalaki po ng contribution nila
Yes.
dito sa ating bayan, sa ating pag-unlad, sa lahat na ng development. Until next time po, all the best po sa ating palaro at sa mga programa at saka sa mga pinagkakabalahan ng ating mga engineers. Salamat po. Para pa rin sa Radyo Pilipinas, Judith Karingal, magandang araw.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Time to celebrate kulturang Pinoy.